The bullying started in middle school. They were like, cow and moo. I ended up dropping out of high school because the bullying was that much.
And my mom would bring a little tub of makeup, and it was her makeup. My mom is not the same skin color as me. She's much darker than I am. So can you imagine me having, a dark paste of face, and the rest of me is light brown, white? I obviously didn't feel comfortable, but my mom was trying to make me feel comfortable. I was alienated. I was struggling to make friends. I finally did, and now where'd they go? They would avoid me at recess, they would avoid me at lunch. And I finally went up to them one day and I was like, guys, what's going on? Why aren't you talking to me anymore? They said to me, we can't talk to you anymore. Sorry, our parents said that we might catch your skin condition. Can you imagine how that made me feel in grade 2, grade 3? That hurt. I was alienated. I was embarrassed, to be honest. I didn't know what this skin condition was in grade 2 or grade 3. So I just want to put this idea in your head that it takes one person to realize that there is beauty in everything. And you don't have to be on one side of the spectrum or the other side of the spectrum or fit into someone's mold, your mom's mold, whoever mold that you're trying to fit into. Be your own person. Know for yourself what beauty is rather than looking to a magazine or to even me for what beauty is. Know within your heart and make your own mold for what beauty is.